Hey everybody, it's me. I want to take a second to show you something I found at a flea market today. Now, I truly do love going to flea markets, but I miss the old flea markets where people would bring stuff, kind of like yard sale stuff, things they want to get rid of. My dog is wanting to play with his ball, by the way. Now it's more people wanting full price for stuff, full retail, and people selling and whatnot. So I'm sitting out here, got the workshop behind me there, and I want to show you something I found. I hope you like it. I like it. I'm excited about it, so we'll see. All right, everybody, so here it is. It is a 14-inch pipe wrench. And you're saying, it's just an old pipe wrench. Why are you getting excited about it? Well, I'm going to tell you why, okay? So, I love old things. I love cleaning them up. I love using them, more importantly. But this right here, for example, is a 10-inch pipe wrench. Looks very similar. But if you look very carefully on this one, and it's hard for me to tell, there's really no maker's mark. It says drop forged. Handle is slightly bent, so I got to straighten this one out. And there's nothing on the other side that I can find anywhere. I've looked, can't find anything. So I'll clean this one up too, okay? I think I paid $3 for this one, okay? But why was I willing to pay $5 for this one, and why am I excited? Reno, go lay down. Okay, so check it out. Right here, and I hope you can see it because it's hard for me to tell if it's in focus. It says Walwoth, made in the USA. It's got a 14 here. And then right in here, I've taken this all the way out. I'm not going to take it out again, but it says genuine Stillson. And if you look right here, there's the Stillson logo. If you turn it over, Stillson logo again. The Walwoth logo is in here. And then on the handle it says genuine Stillson. There's a small K1 right there, and there is a small, it's very, very hard to see it. There's no way I'm going to be able to show it on here. Right up in here it says 41K, or 41H rather. Now the 41H and the K1, those are manufacturing codes, batches, things like that, okay? But here's the deal. This pipe wrench, the adjustable pipe wrench, was patented in the late 1800s, like 1860s. And it was by a man named Stillson. Stillson contracted with Walwoth to make the pipe wrench. So this actually, the patent goes back to 1860s. So then it comes up with, well, how old is this one? So there's a couple of things that we can look at. We can look how it's pinned. We can look at the fact that it's a wooden handle, not a cast handle. That makes it older. The fact that it says Walwoth, made in USA. It doesn't say made in Boston, USA. Makes it older. The way it's pinned makes it a little bit older. It's probably not the oldest example of this wrench. So this puts it somewhere around, early 1900s. Let's say 1900 to 1920, maybe 1930. But anyway, this thing is right around 100 years old. And it is still in perfect condition. You could, as far as using it goes, you could use it today with absolutely no issue. Now I'm going to take it apart, take this pin out, take it all apart, and I'm going to clean it up and restore it as much as I can, and then I'm going to use it. All the relief areas would have had red paint behind them. And here, the handle would have been red. The rest of it would have been just black or a blued steel. So I'll polish up the jaws and get it all painted up soon and show it with you. I was just excited to find that today, and especially for $5. There is a little crack in the handle, but that's no big deal. That's easy to take care of, and there's a little crack right there too. There are remnants of red paint of where this was red, but it's all been worn off from years of use. So anyway, I'll unscrew this, take all this off, and refinish it. But just wanted to share that with you guys, and hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later.